Hey guys, my name's Sean,
And I'm Curtis.
and today we'll be presenting our project, Emotion AI. Essentially, what we wanted to do with this project was a fun little game where instead of it just being like a controllable thing with your fingers, we wanted it to also adapt to how you feel and like kind of the emotions you show. And to kind of demonstrate what we're talking about, we've created a quick demo.
Yeah, so real quick, as soon as we click play, we'll see that I actually have to line my face up so that I can properly have my emotions being read. And so we'll just start. And so you'll see that I'm spawned into a normal world, and at first glance, it looks like your average, 2D platformer. But I think what's cool is that you'll notice that, for example, as I change my expression, in this case where I start to become mad, you'll see that immediately the environment shifts. And so in this case, for example, as I also return to becoming happier, that the environment shifts back. And so when we're looking at this, for example, we'll see that not only does the current environment that I'm standing in shift, but also the neighboring ones as well. And so what's really cool about this is that in particular with the angry atmosphere, I'll bring it up again. What we can kind of see is that um, not only are the platforms integrated into the level, and so what makes this really cool is that you see that these platforms, before they disappear, were actually being generated entirely by a generative AI model that we leverage so that the platforms themselves are also actually integrated into the entire atmosphere. And so, what's really cool about this is that this makes it a lot more immersive for you to be in the experience where your emotions can actually control exactly the kind of environment that you're in. And so, as these change over time, it really brings a lot of different experiences to the entire gaming experience. And so one last thing that we'll note is that just to make things easier, we have also been able to add in some quick demos about like just being able to set certain emotions. And so, for example, if I'm in neutral, you'll see that immediately the bar slides, and so our environment is adjusting accordingly. And so, yeah, that's our project. We really hope you enjoyed it and have fun messing around with it and having a very emotional experience.
Thank you.